Welcome! If you've ever wanted to stay in the loop on Instagram's latest suggestions, like fresh account recommendations based on your activity or interests, then you'll want to make sure your notifications are set up right. Today, I'm walking you through how to enable account suggestions notifications on Instagram step by step. This guide is up to date for the current version, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal Instagram space, where all your posts and highlights live. Now, look for the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. It's the one that looks like three stacked horizontal lines. Tap that, and a menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see the option that says Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap that. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your Instagram experience. Inside Settings and Privacy, you'll see a bunch of options. We're interested in notifications, so tap that. Notifications are your gateway to controlling what you see and hear from Instagram, so this is a pretty important section. Once you're in notifications, keep scrolling until you spot Following and Followers. Tap that. This section is all about how Instagram lets you know about activity related to the people you follow or who follow you. Now, inside Following and Followers, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one that says Account Suggestions. This is the setting we're after. Tap it and you'll see a toggle or a switch. All you have to do is flip it to on. That's it. You've just enabled Account Suggestions notifications. From now on, Instagram will let you know when it thinks you might want to follow a new account based on your interests and activity. This can be a great way to discover new creators, friends, or brands you might like. So, to recap, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings and Privacy, Notifications, Following and Followers, and finally, Account Suggestions. Switch it on, and you're all set. Thanks for following along, and happy Instagramming!